everyone. Okay, how to create a Google account or Gmail address without using mobile phone. I've tried this multiple times and found some difference that might help you to do the same. I decided to make this video due Google's related refusal to verify my phone number. We tried 3 different numbers and I suspect they were already registered for other Google accounts. I think this is related to my next video, so please subscribe. It will be about numerous blogs of Google. Step 1. Download the new browser. Do not use Google Chrome. This is also related to my next video. I used Firefox, but you can try other browsers. It's worth that confidentially, even if you have put in a bit of effort.
On Google Maps, YouTube, or even Google, but do not use Google itself and click Add Account. I do it through YouTube. By the way, the account you see is created without using phone number. I just didn't record the video. Then Google will ask you to enter personal data, and we just following instructions. Just be careful if it tries to redirect you to verify your email address instead of creating an account. You'll need to go back to creating. Choose an email address, date of birth. You must be over 18 or Google will ask you to invite your parents. Enter the password that must contain at least 8 characters and include letters, numbers, and special characters. After selecting a password, enter an email address for account recovery. You can reach me using this address. If you don't want to provide a recovery address, you can skip this step. This is a good sign, believe me. Here we are. Everything worked. We landed on the policy page and Google did not request a phone number. You'll have to agree to the policy. So click agree, whatever it says. Now everything created. You can create a YouTube channel or something else. Good luck and subscribe to my channel.